All right. Do you have a secret hunch about how you will die?
No.
Everyone's seeing Dean's like house right, so we'll just stay away from him, and that won't be.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't have a secret hunch.
Yeah, I don't think you better that up.
No.
I'm like, whenever it happens, it'll happen.
Peacefully in bed as an old lady.
With the mind of a 90-year-old or body?
Don't complicate it. That was yesterday's question.
You guys don't have much imagination. I've definitely thought about this. Maybe because I've
elaborate.
Before.
Yeah. What's the go?
All right. Well, the story goes like this. I was, I think it was about 2010. I was in New Orleans, and my friend Christy and I, we went to see a palm reader who also like did our tarot cards. And it was either that instance or it was when I was in India. I can't remember, but I also had like a reading when I was in India. And one of these two people that told my future to me said that I would die when I'm 89. I was like, okay, die when I'm 89. Well, I'm terrified of the idea of bungee jumping. So I think maybe when I'm 89, I'll go bungee jumping.
With the body of a 30-year-old.
Yeah. I'm going to survive it and be okay, or that will be the end. So if I just do it when I'm 89.
Fair enough.
Wow.